Ever written JavaScript and wondered, where exactly should I put this code? In the head, in the body, or in a separate file? Well, let's find out where exactly your JavaScript belongs. There are different ways you can place and run your JavaScript code, but we're going to focus on the three major ways you can do that: the head, the body, and the external method. Let's dive in. For the head section, putting script inside the head is possible but not recommended. Reason is because your browser will load and interpret your JavaScript first before showing your page, and that slows things down. For the body section, you can place JavaScript at the bottom of the body. This way, your page content loads first and the script runs after. That's a better approach. Now, here comes the best and the most professional part, which is using the external JavaScript method. This means writing your code in a separate JavaScript file and linking it back to your HTML document. The reason that this method is highly recommended is because it keeps your HTML and JavaScript clean, readable, and easy to manage. Now you've known the three JavaScript placement methods, let's try them practically. I'm going to start with the head placement method. Just below our title tag, I will write script. Then I will write my JavaScript code in between. This code I wrote here will alert this in our browser. Immediately I save, you will see from the head section, which is exactly what we wrote here. What you just saw is the head section method. And remember, this method is not advisable because it will slow down your web page. The second method is the body placement, so let's see how it works. I'll just copy this completely. Just before the end of our HTML body tag, I'll paste it there. Now we can go ahead and change this to body so that we can know when it runs. Then I'll save this to run the code. As you can see, we are running it from the body section. So let me click OK and show you the external method. So for this, I'll copy out the alert because we still need it. Completely remove this script because I don't want to confuse you. Come over to this side and create our JavaScript file. While creating your JavaScript file, you can name it anything you want, but make sure that it ends with .js extension. Let me show you. For example, we can just name this Niger.js. If it doesn't end with .js, system will never know that this is a JavaScript file. Then we'll click enter. My code just ran immediately because I didn't remember to save my HTML document when I copied out my alert message. I'll just click OK. Then come over here and save so that it wouldn't pop up again. Then I'll go over to my Niger.js, paste my code. If you noticed, I did not use script inside of this Niger.js. Reason is because we no longer need the script tag when you're running it inside of an external JavaScript. So all you have to do is just to write your code and it works. Now we've written our alert. I'll just go ahead and still change this to, let me just write it external, so we can know when the external code actually works. So I've still saved this. Head back to our HTML document page. Just before the body ending tag, I will still write script. Right inside here, I'll give space and write. Then I'll write our JavaScript file name. Then after that, I will hit save. Then boom, we are getting our response from the external set. These are the three major ways you can place your JavaScript code. Other developers may want to put their JavaScript code right inside their HTML element, but I don't recommend that. And don't forget to like this video. Hit the follow button for the next lesson.